Hi, this is the DOOGEE X97 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AOD option. That's why we should get the Muviz Edge application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and in the search we'll enter the Muviz Edge. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. Then just click the open button, tap to draw over apps. Now just here select the Muviz Edge application and click to the switcher, then go back. Switch H lights to AOD and select one from these available thumbs. Then just click to apply. Now we should lock the device. Let's check and we can see that the always on display option successfully activated. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.